Hey guys, Ryobi recently released their 2018 catalog. Stick around because we're gonna check it out. So guys, Ryobi has a whole bunch of new stuff available and some things that are coming soon, so we're going to go ahead and break them down. First up is the Devour Cordless Debris Sweeper P3260. If you haven't already seen our video on that, you ought to check it out, but this thing looks awesome. Next up, they have two new vacuums, the 3-gallon wet dry project vac, the P3240, and the new 6-gallon wet dry vac, the P770. Both of these are coming in just under $100. Coming soon, they have the Brushless Drywall Screw Gun, the P225. It features quiet drive technology, a variable speed up to 4,700 RPMs, and can drive over 3,000 screws per charge at $99. Also coming soon is the Bolt Cutter P592. It features 200 cuts per charge with a 3/8 inch diameter capacity. Next, they're featuring their new ONE+ cordless stick vacuum with a brushless motor and Evercharge, the P718K. Below that, they have the wireless speaker set P765 and P761. Next up is one you've seen on the channel, the new hybrid drain auger P4002. If you haven't seen our full review, definitely check it out. Below that is the 18-volt ONE+ 23-gauge pin nailer, the P318. It has the dry fire lockout to protect the nailer and shoots up to 3,500 nails per charge at $129. Next up, guys, are the Ryobi lights. First one here is the hybrid LED project light, the P790 with 900 lumens and 35 hours of runtime at $49.97. Then we have the hybrid LED color range work light, the P795 that's coming soon. It features 1,200 lumens and 24 hours of runtime. Then there's the 18-volt ONE+ Workbench LED light, the P727, with 950 lumens and 9 hours of runtime. Next is the 18-volt ONE+ hybrid LED cable light, the P785, 1,500 lumens and 15 hours of runtime. Another one you've seen on the channel is the 18-volt ONE+ hybrid 20-watt LED work light, the P721, with 1,700 lumens, 4 hours of runtime, and now at a new low price of only $49. If you need a spotlight, they've got the dual-powered LED spotlight, the P717, with 2,500 lumens, 5 hours of runtime, and a 700-yard beam distance. Below that, they have the 18-volt ONE+ LED area light, the P781, with 330 lumens and 48 hours of runtime for $29.97. So guys, this one's really cool. It's the 18-volt ONE+ONE 10-inch brushless dual bevel sliding miter saw, the P3650B. This one uses not one but two of the 18-volt ONE+ batteries and can make up to 370 cuts per charge. Alright, and keeping some of the best for last, they have two new water tools. The first is the 18-volt ONE+ underwater stick vacuum, the P3500K. It has the ability to pick up a wide range of debris with a microfiber particle filter, attaches to most pool poles, and has over 50 minutes of runtime. The second pool tool is more of a toy than a tool. It's the 18-volt ONE+ floating speaker light show, the P3520. It features an LED output that changes with the sound of your music, 360-degree Bluetooth speaker, and onboard volume and light show control. It definitely looks like it could be a lot of fun after a day of working in the garage with all your Ryobi tools. So guys, those are all the tools we're going to talk about today. Definitely make sure to head over to ryobitools.com and check out the 2018 catalog to see all the tools they featured this year, including their entire lineup of brushless tools. Obviously, we're hoping to get our hands on all of these new tools, but if there's one in particular that you saw and you'd like to see on this channel, definitely make sure to comment below and let us know what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. The P3500K, the P3500K, the P3500, the P3500K,